Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload an image on your WordPress dashboard. WordPress website. So let's get started. First, you need to go your WordPress website dashboard admin panel. Then you can see this is a option media. Just click on media. You can see the media library. Just click on here and drag and drop your image. So I want to upload an image. Example of I want to upload this image. Just click here, then open. So this is a simple work. If you are a beginner, don't worry. I hope you will successfully add an image on your WordPress website. This is simple. So you can see already add on my WordPress website, and you can see this all photo I uploaded before. So more video about those type of, please subscribe my channel, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this.